In this video, we are going to create this
Nice.
solar eclipse animation in After Effects. So let's create a new composition and like this, then create a sphere with the ellipse tool. So create a circle like this, press Ctrl Alt Home to center it like this. Okay, Control Alt Home to center the anchor point and then Control Home to center the object to your screen. Okay, now we have one shape layer. Let's make it black and we don't want any stroke. So let's remove it. Then duplicate this layer. So let's rename it. The first one is the black layer and the bottom one, let's make it complete white and let's give it some stroke of white like this. So okay, you can increase as you want. Now I'm going to apply the Gaussian blur on it and increase its intensity. Now you can see we have a issue here, so you can fix it by clicking on repeat edge pixels like this. So this is our sphere and the on the background we have our eclipse. Okay, now I think this is too much right now, so let's decrease it like this and decrease the stroke. Okay, now let's make it 25. Okay, now let's animate our black layer. So press P on the keyboard, create a keyframe of the position, move it to the 2 second, move it to the bottom like this. So we have created something like this. Press F9 to make it easy ease and then keep it a little bit curved like this. Okay, so we don't want it to cover completely, so let's leave some place like this. Now we are going to pre-compose it so that we can easily move it around and apply effects as we want, and then click on this button here. So now we can easily move and rotate it as we want. So if you hold W, you can rotate it like this. Okay, so I'm going to rotate it with the 90-degree. Here you can see its rotation is, let's make it 90. Okay, then let's apply some effects. So the effects will be very straightforward. First one is glow, and increase the radius, then duplicate it, increase the radius again, see how it looks like. If you want, you can duplicate it more, and then now we have different shades of white. Okay, now if we apply the tritone effect, it will work properly. So let's apply the tri tritone effect and let's give it a orange color, maybe a yellow color, something like this. And let's give it a reddish. Okay, okay, I think let's apply the third color to the bottom and play with its radius and intensity. Okay, so we have this eclipse animation, and this is the final version that I made, and this is the one that we are getting. The only difference is of the colors. Okay, then for the text layer, you can just create a simple text like total and give it some white color, increase its size, make it light, and then duplicate it and ellipse and decrease its size, something like this. Okay, and now to get exactly like what I have got here, we have to modify a lot of settings. First of all, let's apply this tritone here. Okay, and let's mess with its colors like this. I think we need to make it more orange. I think this one is good. And then after applying this one, apply another tritone like this, and now give it this color. Okay, so that's it.
Woo!
You can
Yeah,
easily
baby! That's what I've
create
been waiting
this
for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
in where the are the properties. So for fonts, we are using extra light and extra light here. Place them like I have placed it here, and that's it for this video. You can create an eclipse in After Effects. You can also add a new adjustment layer, apply the radial fast blur, where yeah, this one is radial fast blur. Move it to the bottom so it doesn't affect our text. Move it here, change it to brightest, and you can increase it to give your eclipse a little bit more energy. So that's it for this video.